Namaste, fellow crypto enthusiasts. I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, and welcome to CryptoXperts, the ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of the cryptocurrency world. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, you're in for an exciting ride. But before we dive in, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to our incredible audience. Your support means the world to us. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of crypto experts. And to our loyal subscribers, thank you for your continued likes, comments, and shares. You are the driving force behind our success. Today, we have a special topic for you. Learn Crypto Trading Vertical Bar, How to Trade in Bitcoin and Crypto Derivatives Tutorial. Trading cryptocurrencies may seem daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the world of crypto trading. Unleash your inner crypto ninja. Stay till the end for a mind-blowing trading hack. Cryptocurrency is risky yet rewarding. Do your research, take risks, and make money trading. Here are a few benefits of trading cryptocurrency. High returns. The market is new and volatile, offering potential for profits. 24/7 trading. Trade whenever you want, regardless of your location. Low fees. Trading fees are lower compared to traditional investments. Global reach. Trade with people from all over the world. How to trade cryptocurrency 1. Open a trading account on a suitable exchange. Click on the I button to find the best crypto exchange. 2. Deposit funds using various methods. 3. Start trading digital tokens, reading charts and identifying trends. 4. Use indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and Fibonacci retracements for profitable trades. I'll teach you everything about trading cryptocurrency. Learn to read charts, identify trends, and make profitable trades. Price action refers to the pattern or character of how the price of a security or asset behaves, often in the short run. Price action can be analyzed when it is plotted graphically over time, often in the form of a line chart or candlestick chart. Support and resistance are two important concepts in technical analysis. Support is a price level where buyers are likely to step in and prevent the price from falling further. Resistance is a price level where sellers are likely to step in and prevent the price from rising further. A candlestick pattern is a visual representation of the price action of a security over a specific period of time. Candlestick patterns can be used to identify potential reversals, continuations, and other price movements. Chart patterns are a type of technical analysis that uses the historical price action of a security to identify potential trading opportunities. Chart patterns can be used to identify potential reversals, continuations, and other price movements. An uptrend is a market condition in which the price of a security is consistently rising. A downtrend is a market condition in which the price of a security is consistently falling. A sideways trend is a market condition in which the price of a security is neither rising nor falling. There are a number of important indicators that can be used to analyze price action. Some of the most popular indicators include moving averages, oscillators, and volume. A moving average is a line that is calculated by averaging the price of a security over a specific period of time. Moving averages can be used to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential trading opportunities. Oscillators are indicators that measure the momentum of a security. Oscillators can be used to identify overbought and oversold conditions, as well as potential reversals. Volume is the number of shares that are traded in a security over a specific period of time. Volume can be used to identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential trading opportunities. Understanding these concepts helps make informed trading decisions. These are just a few of the concepts that are important to understand when analyzing price action. By understanding these concepts, you can improve your ability to make informed trading decisions. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading cryptocurrency and crypto derivatives involves high risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and share with friends. Join the CryptoXperts community today. We're here to help new members learn about cryptocurrency and trading. Jai Hind.